Estates is the part of the term real estate which includes the two different categories of ownership. The first one is the freehold estate. This is an estate that is yours for a period of time which is not fixed or subject to a specific time limit. Long ago, during the feudal system, a landowner may have been characterized as a freeman or a freeholder. The freehold estate is subdivided into two types: fee simple estate or the life estate. Fee simple estate, sometimes referred to simply as a fee, is the greatest interest that a person can have in land. It has an indefinite duration, freely transferable, and can be disposed of during the owner's life or upon their death with a will. Sometimes people will refer to a fee as an estate of inheritance or perpetual estate. There are two fee estates: fee simple absolute and fee simple defeasible. The fee simple absolute refers to holding title to the property without any qualifications. Most homeowners and others hold property to their property in this way. Fee simple absolute, also simply known as a fee. Fee simple defeasible, in this case the owner holds title to the property subject to special conditions or qualifications or limitations that, if breached, will cause the title to the property to possibly go back to the original owner or their heir, in which case the title has been defeated. Hence, fee simple defeasible or defeated. A simple example of this, often used in real estate textbooks, would refer to a property being deeded to a new owner, but with a condition that alcohol may be served on the property. Rather, alcohol may not be served on the property, or the title would revert back to the original grantor, the previous owner. We do not usually see this type of condition or restriction in a deed, particularly for residential property, but it is possible.